2025 Triumph Bonneville Bobber TFC First Look, 14 Fast Facts. Triumph Motorcycles has taken the wraps off the 2025 Bonneville Bobber TFC, the latest addition to its exclusive Triumph Factory Custom (TFC) lineup. Limited in production and loaded with premium upgrades, the Bobber TFC brings bespoke craftsmanship and elevated performance to the classic cruiser world. Here are 14 fast facts you need to know about this stunning new machine. 1. Limited edition run. Only 750 units of the 2025 Bonneville Bobber TFC will be produced globally, making it a true collector's item for Triumph enthusiasts. 2. More powerful 1,200 cubic centimeters engine. The 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine has been tuned to deliver 92 horsepower and 83 lb-ft of torque, an increase over the standard Bobber, offering stronger mid-range punch and a livelier throttle response. 3. Premium lightweight components. The TFC version gets lighter thanks to carbon fiber bodywork, including a carbon front fender and side panels, trimming weight for improved performance. 4. Öhlins suspension setup. Top-shelf Öhlins suspension graces the Bobber TFC, with fully adjustable front forks and a premium rear monoshock, enhancing ride quality and control. 5. Brembo braking. Power stopping duties are handled by dual Brembo M50 radial calipers up front and a Brembo 2-piston caliper at the rear, delivering exceptional braking performance. 6. Custom TFC styling. The Bobber TFC features exclusive paint schemes, gold pinstriping, and unique badging, setting it apart visually from the standard models. 7. Aero exhaust system. A lightweight titanium aero exhaust with carbon fiber end caps comes standard, giving the TFC a deeper, throatier sound while boosting performance. 8. Enhanced electronics. The TFC gets upgraded ride modes: rain, road, and sport, each with bespoke settings for throttle response, traction control, and ABS intervention. 9. Improved ergonomics. A reshaped seat and slightly revised handlebar position provide a more comfortable and engaging riding stance, ideal for long hauls or spirited rides. 10. Full LED lighting. The 2025 Bobber TFC features a full LED lighting package, including a distinctive LED headlamp with Triumph's signature DRL pattern. 11. High-spec tires. The TFC rolls on Metzeler Racetech RR tires, offering superior grip and handling characteristics for both road cruising and backroad blasting. 12. Unique numbered plaque. Each Bobber TFC comes with a numbered plaque on the handlebar clamp and a certificate of authenticity signed by Triumph's CEO. 13. Expanded accessory catalog. Triumph offers a selection of bespoke accessories for the Bobber TFC, including luggage options, heated grips, and billet machine details. 14. Premium pricing and availability. With its exclusivity and top-tier components, the 2025 Bonneville Bobber TFC commands a premium price, expected to start around $18,500. Deliveries are slated to begin in late 2025. With its blend of custom shop craftsmanship, upgraded performance, and limited edition appeal, the 2025 Triumph Bonneville Bobber TFC is poised to become one of the most desirable modern classics on the market. Whether for collectors or riders looking for the ultimate Bobber experience, this TFC model delivers in every department.